Hello, welcome to Vision School of Music online tutorials. This is your tutor Michael Haynes. Today we'll be going through the chord of C major. We'll be practicing the chord of C major and its relative minor, A minor. We'll be going through the inversions and its placement in the UPR. First of all, let's do the scale of C major and count the notes in terms of the degrees of the scale as you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 1. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now for the C major triad, we'll start off in root position. Note the fingering. We play it in arpeggio form and we play it in chord form. First inversion now. Note the fingering. Second inversion. Note the fingering again. Back to root position. One octave higher. Okay, now we can do it in arpeggio form in a nice melodic fashion like this. Practice that all day. Just see. First inversion, second inversion, root position again. Okay, root position, first inversion, second inversion, and back to root position, second inversion, first inversion, position. And the inversion that falls in the UPR is the second inversion. Now for the relative minor, and you can always get the relative minor by going down the scale. 8, 7, 6. It's A minor. Okay? From C you go down. Okay. Now we'll do the inversions again. Let's start an octave lower. First inversion. Second inversion. Root position again. Let's do them in a melodic fashion. The fingering, and the inversion that falls in the UPR is root position. Remember, the UPR lies between the F below middle C and the E above middle C. So our two chords, C major, second inversion in the UPR, and A minor, root position, UPR. Okay, just focus on these two chords for today and have a blessed day. Thank you.